Okay, number 10 for this word problem. Let's go ahead and read through this. Two pages that are back to back in a book have 1153 as the sum of their page numbers. So basically, if you open up a book, you have a page number on the left and page number on the right. If you take those two page numbers, add them together, that equals 1153 is the idea on this. Okay, so what are the page numbers? Okay, well, we have to set up our variables first. So let's do first page. First page, we're going to go ahead and call that X. Now we got to see what the relationship is with the next page. Now these are considered consecutive numbers. So some of the problems you might also see in your homework, and you could see this type of question in a test as well, is you could see the word consecutive. The word consecutive means that you have two numbers that are right next to each other. In this case, that happens when you're talking about two pages in a book. So when I write the second page, okay, now we're not talking about consecutive even or odd integers. We're just talking about the very next number in the book. Well, that's going to be one more than the original one. If I open up a book, any two numbers I see, I'll have, maybe a 20 and a 21 or something like that. So I know that that's the relationship with the second page. Now both of these, if I add them together, it has to add up to 1153. So I'm going to do x plus 1. Again, remember to add both of them together equals 1153. Now we're going to do some like terms. The like terms, you have a 1x and I have a 1x. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so that'll give me a 2x. 2x plus 1 equals 1153. Alright, then we're going to isolate the x, so we got to get rid of the 1. We're going to subtract 1 from both sides. We want that to add up to a 0. We always do opposite operation, so 2x. 1153 minus 1, that's going to be 1152. We're going to divide here because we want to get x by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 2, and then what I get is I get the first number is going to be 576. So when I write my answer, the first page answer I'm going to put is 576. For the second page, I just know that it's going to be one more than the first one, so I'll just add 1 to that, so 577 I'll get for the second page. So this one is one more than the other one, and when I add that together, I do get 1153.